Foot cleaning brush. Long reach wand lets you clean your feet without bending. Features soft nylon bristles sponge tip to clean with soap or apply lotions and medicine 25 long. American Bantex 14-foot oxygen tubing by Roscoe Medical. This 14-foot oxygen tubing is perfect for plugging into the portable oxygen tank in case the electricity goes out. It is of great quality, and both ends plug in easily, yet, are firm enough to stay in well. Apria should have provided these for my mom, but it was easier to order them than to argue with Apria about them. Plus, I feel these are better quality than the ones provided by Apria. American Bantex 50-foot oxygen tubing by Roscoe Medical. 50 feet oxygen tubing. American Bantex 50-foot oxygen tubing by Roscoe Medical. VAS 34 telescoping foot inspection mirror aids. Diabetics, especially those with neuropathy, need to visually check their feet daily for sores, blisters, anything unusual. The problem is the feet are at the other end of the bodies, and seeing the one side or the other of your feet, underneath your toes, sometimes is almost impossible without being a master contortionist. Asage and the eyesight changes seeing can also be a problem. This product, due to it being lightweight and telescoping, goes a long way in aiding in inspecting your feet for any signs of concern. Please, if you are diabetic, check your feet daily. A small sore can lead to a foot ulcer which can dramatically affect your lifestyle. This unit comes with 2 white LEDs, includes batteries. 2 pairs gel bunion big toe separator spreader eases foot. Foot care reduce friction between toes, soften and protect the affected area, relieve bunion pressure, discomfort, or pain. Tea tree foot soak 32 ounces Epsom salt with. My husband has a lot of troubles with his feet and he wanted to try using Epsom salts to soak. When I say this foot soak with Epsom salt and tea tree oil, I thought his would be a really good choice. This soak is made from all natural ingredients. Besides the Epsom salt and essential oils, there are also vitamin C crystals to neutralize the chlorine and ammonia that can be present in tap water. This is a very fine grain Epsom salt base and you can smell the tea tree oil even before opening the package. It is not too heavy, but tea tree oil has a distinct smell, so you can't miss it. The foot soak is supposed to relieve inflammation from athlete's foot as well as eliminate 100% of foot and toenail fungus. These are all properties my husband was looking for. The eucalyptus oil also helps soothe muscles. We filled a basin with warm to hot water, and added 1/4 of a cup of this foot soak. It is recommended to soak your feet for around 30 minutes, so that is what my husband has been doing daily for about the last week. He has found that his feet feel less tired and are refreshed. He also noticed his toenail fungus getting better and hasn't had itchy feet while using this soak every night. I received this product at a discount in exchange for my unbiased review. Viati Herbals Elbow Foot Knee Scrub Soap 6x75G. An innovative formula to give your elbows, feet and knees the extra attention they deserve. Almond extract and ground walnut, together exfoliate even thick deposits of dead cells, while smoothing and lighting the areas. Aloe vera moisturizes, soothes, and protects skin. MyM Exfoliating Foot Mask Peeling Feet Masks, Exfoliating Scrub. Baby Silky Foot Easy is great for soft, smooth, thoroughly sleek bare feet. The foot may be reborn just like a baby's after peeling. The Baby Silky Foot series is a total foot care series not only for peeling but also for maintaining a healthy foot. Baby Foot Easy Pack contains 17 kinds of natural extracts which have a high moisturizing power and astringency, thus the sole becomes smooth after peeling. The objective is not only to peel the dead skin cells off, but also to maintain the grain of the skin and to add moisture to the skin. Pixnor 2 PCS Pumice Stone Foot Scrub Brush. Description: this item is a foot exfoliating brush, which is used to exfoliate skin, increase blood flow and promote healthy glowing skin. Non-toxic, healthy, and environmental to clean your feet. Features: color, random color material, PS, pumice. Size, 21 4.5 centimeters. Non-toxic, healthy and environmental. Used to exfoliate skin, increase blood flow and promote healthy glowing skin. Soft brush to clean nails. Rubbing produces excellent massage effect. Pumice to rub away dry, rough skin and calluses. Package including 2 body foot brush with plastic handle.